Hello guys, you're welcome to this channel. So with Ocean, I am Emmanuel Onotu. Today I'll be teaching you how to read and interpret the tape measure scale. As a tailor or fashion designer, you're already aware that without the tape measure, there is no making of any clothes. Today I'll be explaining in details how to read and interpret or understand all the marks on the tailor's tape measure. Please, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that when next I upload an amazing video like this, you'll be notified. Thank you. Let's get started. Hello, you're welcome to today's class on tape measure reading and interpretation. Basically, there are two systems of measurement. The first is imperial system of measurements, where measurements are taken in feet, in inches, and in yards. The second is the metric system of measurements, where measurements are taken in meters, centimeters, and millimeters. In today's class, I'll be teaching you the imperial system of measurements. The conventional tape divides an inch into 8, quarters, and half. However, there are other tape measures like the retractable tape that divides an inch into 16, into 8, into quarter, and then into half. We will be considering the normal tape measure, which every Nigerian tailor knows, that divides an inch into 8. The diagram shows the calibration of the normal tape measure. When you divide an inch into 8, it simply means you are going to have 8 columns. From the start 0 to this point gives you 1/8 inch. From this point to the second one gives you 2/8 inch. From this point to the third gives you 3/8 inch. From this point to the next gives you 4/8 inch. From this point to this point gives you 5/8 inch. From this point to this point gives you 6/8 inch. From this point to this point gives you 7/8 inch. From this point to this point gives you 1, which is 8/8, and it gives you 1 inch. So what we are going to do now is we are going to reduce the even numbers. As you can see, this is an odd number, this is an odd number, this is an odd number, and this is also an odd number. So we are going to reduce the even numbers, this, and this, in order to get our normal tape reading. So the first one is 1/8, which is written as 1/8 inch. The second one, we reduce it. 2 go into 2 will give us 1. 2 go into 8 will give us 4. This is 1/4 inch. The third one is an odd number, so it remains the same. 3/8 inch. The next one is an even number. 4 go into 4 will give us 1. 4 go into 8 will give us 2. That is our half inch. This is an odd number. It remains the same. This is our 5/8 inch. This is an even number. 2 go into 6 will give us 3. 2 go into 4 will give us 2 go into 8 rather to give us 4. So this is a 3/4 inch. 7/8 is an odd number, so we have 7/8 inch. 8 going to 8 will give us 1. This gives us 1 inch. I hope this is not confusing. It is very, very simple. Now, this is 1 inch divided into 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 1/8, which is a 1/8 inch. This is a 1/4 inch. This is a 3/8 inch. This is a 1/2 inch. This is a 5/8 inch. This is a 3/4 inch. And this is a 7/8 inch. This is a 1 inch. Remember, we say the conventional tape measure divides an inch into 8, into quarter, and into half. This is the level for the 8 divisions. This is the level for the 4 or the quarter division. And this is the level for the half division. So 1 divided by 8. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and then the 8th one gives you the 1 inch. So now, considering the other division, the quarter and the half. 1/8, it is called 1/8 because it falls under the division of 1 divided by 8. The second one is 1/4, which is 1/4. It is called 1/4, 1/4, because it falls under the division of 1 divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one is 3/8, which is called 3/8, because it falls under the division of 1 divided by 8. 1, 2, 3. 3/8. The next one is 1/2 inch, which is 1/2, because it falls under the division of 1 divided by 2. 1, 2. The next one is called 5/8, because it falls under the division of 1 divided by 8, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/8. The next one is 3/4, because it falls under the division of 1 divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3/4. The next one is 7/8, because it falls under the division of 1 divided by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7/8. While the next one is 1 inch. 8 go into 8 give us 1 inch. I hope this is not confusing. Just take your time, go through it over and over. I'm very sure that you're going to understand it. So now one can ask a question: how do one pronounce subsequent measurements? Like this is called 1/8 inch, which is written as 1/8, which is this 1/8 inch. This is written as 1/4 inch. This is written as 1/3/8 inch. This is written as 1.5 inches rather. These ones are inches, sorry. This is written as 1.58 inches. Remember, this is 5/8 here. This is also 5/8, 1.58 inches. This is written as 1.75 inches. Remember, this is the third when you divide it into 4. 1, 2, 3. That's 1.75 inches. And this is 1.78 inches. 1 divided by 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 7, 8 inches. Why this is 2 inches. Using a normal tape measure, this is 1/8 inch, this is 1/4 inch, this is 3/8 inch, this is 1/2 inch, this is 5/8 inch, this is 3/4 inch, this is 7/8 inch, this is 1 inch, this is 1/8 inches, this is 1/4 inches, this is 1/8 inches, this is 1.5 inches, this is 1/5/8 inches, this is 1.75 inches, this is 1/7/8 inches, this is 2 inches, this is 2/1/8 inches, this is 2/1/4 inches, this is 2.75 inches, this is 2.38 inches, rather 2.38 inches, this is 2.5 inches, this is 2.58 inches, this is 2.75 inches, this is 2.78 inches, and this is 3 inches. We'll be looking at the decimal placement of these fractions here. This is a fraction and this is the decimal place. If you use your calculator to divide, it won't give you your answers in fraction, it will give you your answers in decimal place. So when you have your answers in decimal place, you can quickly interpret it on the tape measure. When you divide 1 by 8, you have 0.125, which is our 1/8, and it's here represented on the tape measure, 1/8 inch, the first mark on the tape. Then we go further. The second mark on the tape measure is a 1/4 inch, which is 1/4. 1 divided by 4 will give us 0.25, which is 0.125 times 2. That's what will give us 0.25, and that is our 1/4, the second mark on the tape measure. The third mark on the tape measure is our 3/8 inch. 3/8, 3 divided by 8 will give us 0.375, which is 0.125 times 3 will give us 0.375, which is our 3/8 inch on the tape measure. The fourth mark on the tape measure is the 1/2 inch, which is this. The 1/2 inch, 1/2, 1 divided by 2 give us 0.5, which is 0.125 multiplied by 4. That will give us 0.5. The next one is our 5/8 inch. 5 divided by 8 will give us 0.625, which is 0.125 multiplied by 5. That will give us 0.625, which is the fifth mark on the tape measure, 5/8 inch. The next mark is the 3/4 inch mark, which is 3 divided by 4, 3/4, which will give us 0.75. 0.75 is 0.125 multiplied by 6. You multiply 0.125 by 6, it will give us 0.75, which is a 3/4 inch. The next one is our 7/8 inch on the tape measure, which is 7/8. 7 divided by 8 will give us 0.875. 0.875 is the same as 0.125 multiplied by 7 will give us 0.875. Briefly, we're going to be looking at some examples here. Let's divide 37.5 inches by 4. It's going to give us 9.375. 9.375. simply falls on 3/8 inch. So looking at this measurement, 37.5 divided by 4 gave us 9.375. So on your tape measure, this is 9.375, which is 9/3/8. 39 divided by 4 will give us 9.75. On this place, this is our 0.75, which gives us 3/4. So on our tape measure is 9/3/4. 9/3/4. 32.25, which is 32 1/4, divided by 2 by 4 will give us 8.625. 8.625 falls under our 5/8 measurement. So this is our 8.625. These are 8.625, which is what? 858. 858. Let's consider another measurement, 27.5, which is 27.5 divided by 4 will give us 6.875. 0.875 is 7/8 inch. 0.875 is 7/8 inch. On our tape measure, 6.875 is equal to 678, which is 678. With these examples that I have given, I believe you've been able to understand why it is important to understand the tape measure interpretation or the calibration of the tape measure scale.